Greetings one and all, how's everybody doing? I hope well. I am actually in Olympia, Washington today. I got it on a good source to come here and look for Morels. So while I'm here, I'm also going to be doing a hike. And when I finish up, I'm going to go grab a burger and do a local eat. So I'll be knocking off, multiple things at once. I'm just out in the woods right now because, I had to answer the call of nature because it was an hour drive getting here. But while I'm here, I'm going to be looking around the stumps and whatnot, see if I get lucky. Fingers crossed. Knock on wood. So, although they say right after a rain they pop up, but it rained several days ago and the weather's supposed to be just crazy nice all week. In fact, it was really nice yesterday. It's supposed to be nice. Well, it is nice today. Nice blue skies. Still morning. Should be about just after 8. But I'm gonna start looking for some mushrooms, and then I'll probably gonna be doing some hiking too. So, multi birds on this trip. I got a tree here and this log behind me, so I don't know if you can see that very well. Maybe I'm in the way, but hunters might have already come and grabbed everything up. But I got this little area right here, and I'm gonna check around this stump immediately, see what I can find, if there's any. But hey, you never know. So let me take a look around real quick, and then I'll see what goes after that. So I'm just scouring around. Unfortunately, they're so well camouflaged. But I'm also having to compete with a bunch of other hunters who have already been in this area hunting the mushrooms. And of course, no one's going to leave anything for anybody else because they're just going to grab everything up that they can find. It'd be nice if they left the little ones, but I think even they get grabbed. So, sorry if the camera's moving around a lot. I'm just trying to scan. So under there might be nice, but I don't know if I can even get down in there. Well, I don't know if I can get down in there easily. Something would be nice. Now, there's a spot over by Forest Camp where I found those blondes that one time. Probably got about a dozen of them, I think. So I do want to check out there, perhaps next week. Tomorrow is Mother's Day, so I can't do it tomorrow. Well, if I was really motivated, I could get up at like 4 in the morning and treat it like work and just go flying out there first thing, and then just just go right to the spot, check, see if they're there, and just immediately come back. But I think if I lived closer I would do that, but I'm not seeing a single mushroom. No. This stump right here too. We are close to the trail too, so I could try to go a little deeper. I'm standing at the top. Well, I'm standing here next to this tree, but I'm looking down. See a lot of footprints, but I don't see any mushrooms. Debate. I was thinking I could do is go back and then go down the road a little bit to that other trail and walk down there and then go off trail to see what's down there. Maybe I'll get lucky. Thinking maybe people would come over here, but who knows? Luck of the draw, maybe. I heard it's best to come out after a rain or areas that have had fire. Someone told me about a site that lists where all the fires were, so but I forgot to look it up. Looks like some deer poo. Deer eating all the morels. Do deer even eat morels? Combing, nothing. Could be too dry, or they're all gone, or they're all picked. But you never know. Could be something out here. Alright, I'm back on the trail. Let's move farther in, get a few steps in, and then I might go off trail again once I make some distance. So, I just came up this hill, a little bit of an incline, then it goes off this way. My first time here, by the way. I don't know if I mentioned that. Hope I did. If I didn't, well, I guess I just did. So, I'm not sure why they clear cut it though. They sell the trees, or too many falling over. They got plans for the place. Oh, they might have plans for the place because turn the camera around. There's a fenced little lot over here, so they could be putting in a parking lot. So maybe they're gonna put in, I don't know, maybe some park equipment. Who knows? I do not. But maybe they announced it, but I actually don't live in this area, so I'm kind of curious to see what they do with it. They could just turn it into a park and then have the trail system kind of go around it, which would be kind of nice. Alright, well I just shot a quick video going over the contents of my day ruck, so let's get back to it.